Good day everyone, my name is Jasmine S. Bajan and my topic is all about sustainability and corporate social responsibility. So today the world faces many challenges: climate change, pollution, social inequality, and economic instability. So because of these issues, society expects not only governments but also individuals and businesses to act responsibly. So this is why sustainability and corporate social responsibility have become essential concept in modern development. So sustainability teaches us to care for the present without harming the future. At the same time, corporate social responsibility reminds businesses that earning profit should never come at the cost of people or the planet. When these two concepts work together, they guide us toward a society that is fair, responsible, and environmental friendly. And so sustainability means also known as sustainable development, means meeting today's needs without harming or without destroying the future generations to meet theirs. It is reminder that the earth resources, water, trees, oil, and energy are not unlimited. If we use them carelessly today, tomorrow's people will suffer the consequences. So sustainability is about taking only what we need and avoiding unnecessary water. There are three pillars of sustainability, which is environmental sustainability, social sustainability, and economic sustainability. So environmental sustainability focuses on the protection of our natural surrounding. So this includes reducing pollution, conserving energy, and promoting the use of clean, renewable resources. So example here is environmental sustainability, which is companies using energy efficient like to save electricity, or factories installing air filter to reduce harmful emissions, or pwede naman is school conducting tree planting. So school conducting tree planting activities to restore forestry. So ito po yung importante sa environmental sustainability, kasi yung tree planting, kasi pagtatanim tayo ng maraming plant, ito ay nakatulong sa environment. Kasi pag umuulan, especially pag umuulan, yung planting kasi, yung plants, sila po ang mag-absorb ng water. So pag kulang tayo sa puno, may tendency magbabaha ang ating environment, society. So, yun nga, environment is essential because it helps slow down climate change, protect ecosystem, and ensures a healthier planet for everyone. So next is social sustainability. So social sustainability centers on people. It aims to create a society where everyone is treated fairly, has access to opportunities, and enjoy a good quality of life. And so example here, social sustainability, the companies giving fair salary, earning safe work environments, or organization offering free medical check-ups, or community health mission. So ito po yung importante kasi sa social sustainability, especially sa mga tao mahirap, or sa free check-up kasi pwede ka sa school, sa mga estudyante, para ma-adapt, para malaman kung may sakit na sila as early, para alam na kung ano sa kanila. Sa free check-up, especially sa mga tao mahirap. And then sa schools, school providing scholarship to underprivileged students. Diba? Kailangan yun. So, this pillar emphasize equality, human rights, and community development. A society becomes socially sustainable when these people feel safe, valued, and support. Yon po ang social sustainability. And the next is economic sustainability. So economic sustainability means focuses on responsible decision making that support long terms. Economics encourage organizations and governments. And dito sa economic sustainability, organization and government to use resources wisely in ways that benefit both the economies and the communities. So, sa economic sustainability, this is talk about a business. Papasok pa dito ang mga businesses. Or example dito sa investing in long-term, eco-friendly machinery instead of cheap but harmful equipment, supporting local businesses and suppliers to boost the local economy. And para naman dito is a government program that promotes small business growth. So, this pillar ensures the economy's development continues without causing environment damage or social inequality. And then next, so let's proceed to the corporate social responsibility. So corporate social responsibility, this pillar so corporate social responsibility is the idea that businesses must operate ethically and responsibly. Profit should never be their only goal. Profit should never be their only goal. They must also consider how the actions after people and the environment. So corporate social responsibility means the companies